All right, ladies and gents, wide body fenders are put on. Not the best fitment. Honestly, I'm not too stoked on it, but it is what it is. I'm gonna figure something else out. Front fenders, look. If anybody ever tells you that it's easy, slap them, cause there's some bullshit. But, oh shit. Like I said, I just amputated my fucking toe. What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hey, so today we're in the garage and I'm going to be doing a little bit of work on it. So the other day I was pulling the car out of the garage to do a little mock-up of the carbon fiber wide body fenders, and what happened was when I went out of the garage, the wood that I was using to fucking get off the lip of the apron, the concrete apron into the gravel, kicked up and ripped off my entire rocker. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys that. But besides that, what we're gonna do is, I got the car in here. It's a tight fit, so I'm not gonna film too much of this process, but carbon fiber wide body front fenders are here. I put a little bit of a red wrap on it right there because I was trying to see if I would like how that looked blending in the car, to kind of give it a aggressive cutoff line right there versus just a straight line. So I'm going to be putting those on. So what I got to do is I'll have to pull this off. Like I said, it's pretty tight in here, but I'm going to pull that fender off. I already have the fender on this side off. So I kind of show you what it looks like. So that's with the fender off. This was the side I was mocking up. So as I went to back out, I got hung up right here and oof, cut off, or I should say ripped off, my entire rear rocker, or side rocker I should say, the rear portion of it. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Gonna pull the left fender, get them put on. You do have to drill the mounting holes for them, so I'll be working on that. The downside, these fenders are Corvette Creations and they actually came with a few very slight blemishes on them, but the dude Pete was super cool about it, and he told me just go ahead and use those and I'm going to send you a brand new set. And the reason for that is because, as you can see right here, I have about a 1-inch poke, so those fenders will sit flush once mounted. And I have my AirTech airbag suspension came in, and I was really trying to get all this mocked up, but I won't be able to do it with these stock fenders because clearly they will rub. So I need to put those fenders on. So he said just go ahead and keep them, put them on so you could do your mock-up, and he's going to send me some new ones. I got this hood from him too. Actually, I've gotten all my carbon fiber parts from him. So super cool dude. I do support the company, and he's making it right. The thing though, like I said, is they're kind of a pain in the ass to put on. So I got to drill the holes and mount them, which sucks because I'm gonna have to turn around and do the whole thing over again when I get the other fenders. I ran a few polls on Instagram and you guys all say leave it full chib, which I think is dope, and you actually pay for the carbon fiber, so I like the idea of being able to see it, but it just doesn't look right to me. I am gonna leave the rear fenders carbon fiber though. I do like that. What else we got going on? Trying to think here. Boop 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 boop. Yeah, I think that's it. I need to get started. I need to get this fender off. There's supposed to be a car meet tomorrow with Washness Media. Brandon, he's the guy that does all my photos. He's a fucking G at it. It's freezing cold out here and I need to get started. I need to clean and organize this garage too, so I can actually have some fucking space. Oh yeah. Look at this. So I got these little exposed beams up here, and I took the time to mount all my license plates up there. Pretty dope, I thought. So there's a bunch of them. This side has my motorcycle ones. But yeah, so I need to get this garage cleaned and organized. I need to get these fenders figured out, and then I can get started on the AirTech suspension to get this thing bagged, and hopefully once I bag it, it'll just be fucking saucy. Probably have to do some trimming on the inside of this fender to get that to lay right up in there. The problem is these are 19s and there's about 3 inches of gap right there, but I only have 2 inches of space or so before I'm on the ground. So I'm hoping I could tuck right down onto that lip. I'm not sure. I'm probably going to shave this portion of the inner wheel liner right there off just to give it more space. But yeah, that's for another date. All right, I'm gonna get started. All right, so we're back with it. Got the fenders both taken off. Got the hood put back down, wheel put back on. Got the car lowered down, so I'm gonna go ahead and wheel it up out of the garage now and get this place organized. I don't know. I just kind of think it looks cool without the fenders. I don't know why. It's weird. But alright. Alright guys, so let me show you how I ripped my rocker off the last time. So as you can see, my garage has this concrete apron and the car doesn't like it. So that little small piece of wood right there, I used to have at the end right there, which the tire would be on, but when it was on it, it would clear this. The problem is, every time I come up here, that would kick up, and that's what would get caught right there, and so when I backed up, it would rip it off. So now, I took it out, and now my rocker is stuck right there. So, I'm hoping that when I back up onto that piece of wood, that it'll push it up high enough to where that doesn't hit right there. Actually, let me just set this camera up right here and we can witness what's about to unfold. So that seemed to have worked a little bit better. So anyways, now I could get this fucking garage cleaned out. I need space to work on this vet. It's starting to rain. You can see Washington is pretty ugly out. But yeah, so get back to it. Alright guys, what's up? It's been a few hours. Had me some pizza, a couple beers, but I got the garage somewhat organized, so let me show you how it's looking. Crap up there I'm going to end up taking down, and I'm going to put a huge poster or banner of my car right there. I think that'll look cool. So yeah, that's that area. And so now over here it's just nice and wide open. I got the scooter put over there. I'll put a couple more flooring tiles in. I'm 2 rows short, so I need to order some more. I pinned the flag up. Got the tools over there, swept everything out. But yeah. So this is a much better setup. I'm gonna finish graffitiing up that wall just for a vibe. Been getting it, man. Working on putting on the carbon fiber wide body front fenders. Look, if anybody ever tells you that it's easy, slap them, cause it's some bullshit. But I got them on. Well, I should say I got this one on. Major pain in the ass. You have to drill every hole for it, and trying to get your body lines and your gaps to line up is a major pain in the ass. This one over here at the very bottom, I had to do some slight trimming, but overall, I mean, looks decent. I don't have the most space in here right now, but I just kind of wanted to show you what it looks like. This is just a red vinyl wrap that I put on there real quick. I have no idea how to do a wrap. I literally just slapped it on there to try to see what it would look like, giving it kind of a different feel. But yeah, man, these suck putting on, but it'd be good to get it dropped down and see how it looks. Looks like it's going to be pretty flush. When I airbag it, I'm hoping it'll drop right down to the lip. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little update. I'm going to work on doing this one now. Clocking some hours out here between messing the garage, now doing the wide body kit. So as far as the fitment goes, like I said, that's a little bit off. There's a little bit of a door gap there. Look at this shit. That's off. It's flush there, but then it'll just be fucking weird, like, you know. So yeah, but anyways, this is kind of what it looks like. So let's roll over to that gas station and see what we could get into. All right, so what's up, guys? We're here at the gas station. Good old trusty Marathon with the lights. So let's check it out, see how it's looking. So let me know which side you guys like better. You like the way it looks with the red insert? Or the all black full chib? Or should I just color match the entire thing? Plenty of space to bag this thing now. Alright, family, we're out here. My favorite little spot. It's got these dope overhead lights. And yeah, let's take another little review of the car in this lighting and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like with the all black chip and fiber. And then this is with the red insert. So you guys let me know what you think, which one you like better. Do you think it should be fully paint matched red with the red insert, full chib? Drop a comment below, let me know so I get some feedback. I got to get that rear rocker panel fixed, and then besides that, we're ready to bag it, and I got all the stuff to do it, so it should be sitting pretty nice, I would say. I think we'll be good. Don't got much space to go down on the ground. but we will have the flexibility of going up, and that's honestly what I wanted the most. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the little garage makeover, the front carbon fiber panels, and shout out to this dope little spot.